My wife is making dumplings. She's gonna explain something to me.
So the difference between the store-bought and Shanghai dumpling wrappers we usually buy and these northern ones are these ones are softer.
Mm-hmm. They
Very
did feel
soft.
like not brittle.
Very soft. So I tried to do the pleated method
Yeah.
with the softer dumpling, but I don't have that down yet.
I don't know. They look pretty good to me.
I'm still working on it.
Yeah. Those are what the soup dumplings look like.
Yeah.
Or even the what do they call it? Not mushu. Shumai. Shumai looks like that.
I was just experimenting.
Cool. So what's your method here? Your cooking method.
Oh, this is we're frying them all over with the olive oil and the sesame oil, and then I'm going to, when they're crispy, I will steam them. I put the lid on.
Steam them. So you can pour water into the oil?
Yes.
Oh, that sounds dangerous.
Well, I do. I live dangerously.
So, not recommended. So, my dentist I was telling them that we were making 300 dumplings for you. Well, actually, you ended up doing it. But, so I won't take credit for that. But he said, well, do you cook the meat before you put it in there? And I said, no. Meat will cook while it's being steamed, right? Or fried. And so how long does that take? So it's safe.
I don't know.
You know the food safety stuff. 45 minutes?
Yeah, I just flip them around.